Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get product shortcodes in WordPress. Understanding product shortcodes is crucial for customizing your online store's layout and displaying specific products exactly where you want them. We'll cover the basics of what shortcodes are, why they're useful, and how to easily locate the necessary product ID within your WooCommerce dashboard. This will help you create dynamic and engaging product displays. To begin, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and navigate to the Products section. Here, you'll see a list of all your products. Simply hover your mouse cursor over the title of any product you wish to feature. A small tooltip will appear, displaying the product's unique ID. This numerical ID is vital for constructing your shortcode, so make sure to note it down accurately for each product you plan to use. Once you have your product ID, constructing the shortcode is straightforward. The basic format for displaying a single product is product ID equals X, where X is the numerical ID you just located. For example, if your product ID is 123, your shortcode would be product ID equals 123. Simply paste this shortcode into any page, post, or widget area where you want the product to appear. WordPress will then render the product details automatically. Beyond single products, you can display multiple items using products IDs equals X, Y, Z, separating ID with commas. You can also filter by category using products category equals your category slug to show all products from a specific group. Experiment with these options to create diverse product showcases. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals and resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.